Hello, good day and welcome to Joso. My name is Edwin, and on this video I'll be showing you how to convert your CNB file to a Rinex file. That is, a CNB file is a static data file that was logged from the SINOGNSS receiver. So in order to process it using other static processing software, you need to convert it to Rinex format. So that is what we'll be doing today. So do well to like, share, comment your suggestions about this video and also what you would like to see on our next video. Thank you very much, and let's proceed to the exercise. Okay, so this is our CNB file right here on our documents. We'll go to static folder. All right, so this is our CNB file. These are CNB files. Also, this is a CNB file. So we are going to be making use of this for this exercise. So first of all, we'll launch our compass receiver utility software. That is what we are going to be using to do the conversion. So this is the software. Okay, so to start the processing, we've launched our compass receiver utility software, and this is the interface. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to that folder where our file is, which is on documents. So we'll go to documents, click on documents, click on static. So this is where our file is. Then we'll come to project. We'll click on Rinex Convert. So once we click on Rinex Convert, the CNB file that is inside that folder we selected will appear here. So we can now start doing our conversion. So to convert, first of all, we'll right click. You see Rinex Convert, Convert Setting, Antenna, Modify, Rinex Analysis. So these options are also right here at this top side of the screen, so you can please select from here to carry out any of the functions. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to modify. For modify, you can change the name of your station. Probably we use this N5 base receiver to log the static data file, so that is why we use N5 base as our name. Also, our antenna height at when we were logging the static data was 2 meters, so enter 2 meters and you click on OK. Then after that, you might want to do the convert setting. On convert setting, your export format should be 3.01. then the 4 characters is still the same. You leave that, the sample rate, auto, and every other thing should be like that. Now on this side, you have GPS, we have BDS, GNSS, and Galileo. So if you are doing the normal standard converting, everything should be checked. But there are some times whereby if you are using probably an old processing software, it might not accept this file that we want to convert because of this BDS. So depending on the software you are using, if adventure the one you're using does not accept the file that we converted, the Rinex file, you can come back, convert again, and uncheck this BDS, then convert. But for now, let's check it on. Click on OK. Our settings is OK. After that, we can right click on convert to Rinex. It has started to convert, so we just wait a little bit for it to finish converting. Okay, so it has finished converting and it has stopped. So if we go back to our file manager, okay, so this was the file that we converted before, the CNB file, and this is the 4 output files. So I think this is the one that we need the most, the file that was converted, but this was the original and this is the static file. Others are just accompanying files that you might need when you are doing the processing. So that is how to convert a CNB file, which is a static data file that was logged from a SINOGNSS receiver, to a Rinex format. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.